Good day to all employers. I'm Angel Generale, 38 years of age. I live in Bulibuli, Banga, Bayawan City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I am a single mother. I have one child and he's 18 years of age, currently living with my parents. I have 2 experience working as domestic helper. In my first employer, I was working in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia for 2 years. Finished contract, I served 8 members of the family, 3 adults and 5 children. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and car washing. In my second employer, I was working in Hong Kong for 4 years. Finished contract, I served 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 child. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and car washing. The reason why I want to work abroad again because I want to save money to my future and to the future of my son for his studies and to help my family. To my prospective employers, please choose me as your helper. I can assure you that I am honest, respectful, understanding, hardworking, and mature enough to handle all my duties and responsibilities. Hope to see you soon. God bless.